Hey guys, it's Eli Gamer here with another video, and today I found a new monster truck at my local Target. They finally restocked on trucks, so I was pretty excited about that. And yeah, so they finally have the P case in stores, which is the second to last case assortment of Hot Wheels monster trucks for the year of 2017. And yeah, there are 8 trucks in the mix. And yeah. And the truck I will be unboxing is the Chrome Captain's Curse. This thing looks sweet. So, without further ado, let's crack it open. So I'll set down the camera and crack it open. Oh man, I love the chrome. Alright, so let's start with the front. Sorry, come on, focus. Here we go, it's a plain chrome grille. On the top we have the pirate skull and pirate face. We got some pirate marks on the hood. And on the top it says Captain's Curse. It says Fear the Curse on the back. We have the Hot Wheels and Monster Jam logo. It says Captain's Curse. We got the pirate on the side. And on this side we have the pirate skeleton. It says Captain's Curse. We got the logo again. It's got BKT tires and a Hot Wheels logo and chrome rims, of course. Yeah. So I'll snap on the flag and we'll take a good look at that. So here's the flag. We have the pirate again. It says Captain's Curse, and we have the Hot Wheels logo. And on this side it says Captain's Curse. We got a little treasure chest with gold and another Monster Jam logo. So yeah, I was thinking about this when I got the truck. I'll have this. I'll run this truck in my sign-up series. So we'll have 2 trucks make their debut. So 2 trucks will be making their debut: the Chrome Captain's Curse and the Color Treads Higher Education. And I'll throw in like another truck. So I'll probably just throw in like I'll probably just throw in that yellow bounty hunter up there. Yeah, so that means all I need now from this case is the X-Ray Barbarian, which I'll get at some point, and I also need that Gold Max D as well, even though that was first released in Case M. So yeah. Anyway, guys.